Now it's time to do a challenge using the knowledge that we have accumulated so far. Therefore, I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to call it challenge. For the language Java, build system IntelliJ. Make sure to have the JDK version 17 selected here, and also make sure to check this box to have the main class and main function generated for us. So now I clicked on create and our project is going to be created. Now let's go on the left hand side on the project pane. In the front of this SRC, click on this greater arrow, this greater sign, and double click on the main class to open the main class. And let's push this on the next line. Now, the challenge is to create a function which receives as a parameter an array, and the function should an array of numbers, and the function should return the biggest number from that array of numbers. That is the challenge. So try to do it and then come and watch my solution. So this is my solution. So I'll delete this. I'll create a function, public static, and I'm gonna put int because it's gonna return an integer. I'm gonna call it get max, and it's gonna receive an array. So I'm gonna declare here an array of numbers. Then I'm gonna put curly braces, and first here I'll declare another variable called max, and I will assign the first element from the array in this variable max. So I'll type here numbers, square brackets, 0. So we'll put our first element there. Then I will loop through our array. So I'll type for, and I will use the for each loop. For, let's type int number in numbers. And here we're gonna check if number, so the number at this iteration is greater than our max, then that means that we need to switch. We need to put our max, or we need to put this number in our max variable. Then I'm gonna put max equals number, semicolon. And outside of the for loop, we're gonna return this number. So we're gonna type here return max, semicolon. Now if I go up here, I'll type get max, and I'll provide some numbers here. Let's say 4, 5. Actually, we need to provide an array. So let's create directly an array here. So we put curly braces inside so double curly brace, and inside the curly brace I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I can do that. So let's create the array first. So let's type here int numbers equals, and I'm gonna put here 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 22. It should be an array here, and semicolon. Now let's pass those numbers here. Let's put a semicolon here. Let's store this variable. Let's store what the function is returning in a variable. So I'll type here int max found, if you want, equals to get max, and I'm gonna press Ctrl Alt L to format the code, and down I will type SOUT max found. So we're gonna output the maximum found. So now if you run this, the biggest number is 22. So get 22 as the biggest numbers, and if put here other numbers like 77, 100, 150, 0. If you run this, our program works. It returns 150, which is the biggest number from our array. So this is the solution to the challenge. If you have other solution, that is okay, because in programming you can find many solutions which can do the same thing. So I'm gonna end this video now and see you in the next video.